about your future despite of the war, despite of what's going on in the Philippines. If you are successful, that's your fault. If you're a failure, that's your fault. Because character is everything. The more you appreciate the things that you don't like, the more the blessing will come in. And I'm just happy and excited because I'm here not to talk about content creation. But the most important part in content creation is the content creator themselves. Who is that person? The person sitting on your seat. Before you graduate college, you will be guaranteed success. You want that? Yeah. When I say success is actually number one, financial freedom. What's the word? Financial freedom. What's financial freedom? Sabihin mo, Besh. Money is not an issue. Raise your hand if you want that. Grabe pag pera, ibang energy. Kasi ikaw, pinipili mo ka? Negosyante. Pag negosyante marami? Ano mas gusto nyo? Mukhang pera o mukhang walang pera? And that's what I'm here for. But not only a lot of money, but also want to help you understand success. It's not just about money, but also time freedom. That means you have the money and you have the time to enjoy. Klaro ba yun? But here's the thing, boring yan, not unless you get to the most important part. The most important part here, ladies and gentlemen, is not money, it's not time, but fulfillment. What's the word? Fulfillment. I feel good about myself, especially when I am by myself. Because when you feel good, that's where all the blessing comes in. And my job here is to prepare all of you to make sure that today, you'll be excited about your future despite of the war. Despite of what's going on in the Philippines. Sabi sa katabi, if you are successful, that's your fault. If you're a failure, that's your fault. Which is my dream is to make sure that all of you, when you graduate, or even as early as now, you're preparing for the world that is ever changing. And be excited around it. And that's my job. I'm 55 years old here today. And I'm so blessed, I'm so honored, and I'm so proud na yung aking pinakaunang trabaho is napakataas na posisyon. Hulaan nyo nga, ano kayo pinakaunang trabaho ni Coach Ross? Hulaan nyo nga? Janitor. Pangarap ko ba na job? Yun hindi. Gusto ko ba? Hindi. But that was the only job available for me. Age 21. But today, I'm 55. I'm proud about myself. Hindi ako naging janitor dahil hindi kami galing sa mahirap na pamilya. I come from a very good family, except I grew up thinking I was not smart enough or feeling ko bobo ako. Meron natin kanya dito, feeling ko bobo kayo? Oo, mga honor. Sana all.
Yes, sana all.
Di ba? Yeah, never ako nag-enjoy ng summer vacation. Ask me why. Because I have to take summer school. I repeated, bobo nga eh! Bagsak! Pag nalamang babagsak na ako, pupunta ko sa faculty. Tapos sabi, ano nangyari? Magiging ulit kung nalamang bagsak ako. Okay, pasak. You know what's the worst part? Sabi sa akin, what's the worst part? Bobo na pangit pa. Nagkakakuhan kayo sa akin? Yes, ang sagot. Nagkakakuhan ka sa akin?
Opo!
Yan! Friend! Pag nagka-budget ka, gaganda ka rin. So fast forward, my first success secret is making sure that I have a mentor. Ano ang pinagkaiba ng boss sa mentor? Yung boss, uutusan ka, turuan ka, para maganda yung trabaho. Para mabango ka, mabango siya, you take your job. Good or good. Not good or right or wrong, but that's how it is. A mentor is somebody who will teach you in terms of character. What's the word? Because character is everything. And he taught me several principles in life that allowed me to really create my dream life today. I started as a janitor. Then I was promoted to become a promodizer. Then I got in the company called Philips. But Philips only won top 5 schools. But I never went to top 5 schools. But because my boss taught me key principles that says that I carried up until now that I'm going to share with you, that I got into the company as a salesman. And then I became sales supervisor. assistant manager, sales manager, digital sales manager, sales director. Up until age 35, I retired. When I say retired, I only work not because I have to, I work because I want to. Up until today. I stopped working as a regional sales manager, taking care of 5 countries from a janitor to an expat in 15 years. Pinapalakpakan ko. Which is my mentor taught me the most important things in life. Attitude of gratitude. Which means he told me, whatever is going on in your life, be grateful. The worst case. The best case, always be grateful. Because that's the key to life. And if your life is not the way you want it, maybe you forget the most important attitude in life, which is gratefulness. And I want you to acknowledge, be real, be honest. Are you happy with your life? If not, ask me why. Maybe we're looking on the things that are not working versus on the things that are working. Siguro sa buhay mo, 10 yung pangit, isa yung maganda. Kaya siguro hindi maganda buhay mo kasi nakafocus ka sa 9. Meron namang 1 eh. The fact that your eyes can still see, be grateful. The fact that you can speak, you can still walk, you can still coordinate everything, be grateful. Because the moment you're grateful about one thing, it becomes 2, it becomes 8, it becomes 3, it becomes 7. Up until 50-50 na, gumaganda buhay. But this is one thing I appreciate about life. The more you appreciate the things that you don't like, the more the blessing will come in, true or true. There's no secret in life, ladies and gentlemen. Be grateful all the time. That's why I'm so blessed. At age 55 right now, I'm standing in front of you. I own 30 companies. Most of them are on a million to billion basis. Yes, I am. From a janitor to now a business owner. Pinapalakpakan ko yan. Ask me how. Mentors are great, important. Our teachers. But don't just create mentors. Be a teacher. Be a mentor to everyone. But teach them gratitude. But don't just be grateful. Make sure that excellence, what's the word? Excellence. Is a way of life. That wherever you are, whatever you do, it's all excellent, all world class. Do you believe that Filipino is world class? Yes or yes? Yes. Oh, you bet. But how come yung result natin hindi world class? Kasi nasanay tayong pwede na yan. Nasanay tayong okay na yan. Hindi eh. We don't deserve pwede na yan. We deserve the best of the best. Ask me why? Because you know that you deserve the best. Which is not going to give you something that will allow you to support you to create the best life ever. Okay lang ba yun? Have A? And be A? And as a mentor, you need to teach people how to be? Grateful. Okay lang yan. Pag-practice ako sa English, di ba? English is a second language. At least we know how to speak English. Yes or yes? Yes. Right. And number 3, be always, all the time. Ask me why. Because when you're excellent all the time, guaranteed, this will be your way to be promoted. What's the word? Promoted. So which means your promotion is to a certain degree of how excellent you are. Which is as early as now, every time you say yes, you're gonna give it all. As if it's your last day. Because you never know eh. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabi mo palay mo, last day mo lang. You never know, right? Just like today, pwede ko ba kayong i-affirm? We started on time, pinapalakpakan ko yan. Ibig sabihin, bakit pwede yung pinag-great job, palakpakan natin ang government. Ask me why? Mataas ang respeto sa time. Because Filipino time is always Oy! On time! Ulit! Baguhin na natin, guys. Huwag tayong proud. It starts with us. That's why I only want to work with Gen Z and Gen Alpha. Ask me why. Yung mga ka-generation ko, kahit i-rice cooker mo yan, i-pressure cooker, hindi nalalapot yan. Kayo po ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yes. But it must start here. You guys are excellent. And when you're excellent all the time, you will always be promoted. What's the word? Promotion. Pag hindi ka na-promote, kasi siguro walang balak yung company mag-expand, okay lang, ask me why. Because somebody will actually pirate you. Pwede kang kukunin ng ibang company. That's what you deserve. And that's something you want to start looking into when you're excellent all the time. But is that enough? No. Ask me why. Because number 4 is really important. Number 4 is to make sure, repeat after me, I will never work for money. Instead, I'll always work for growth. Which is, do not look at money as your incentive why you work. Because when you look at money as incentive why you work, you'll always be slave of money. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Mga nauna sa atin, mga nakakatanda sa atin, magandang financial life o hirap pa rin, sa totoo lang. Kahit kumikita ng malaki, gapang pa rin, ask me why. Because money is their only motivation why they work. Money is only a result of number 1, me being grateful all the time. Number 2, me giving my best all the time. Keep on growing. Keep on growing. You add value to yourself. Then that's where money will overflow. In the end, a mentor should have at least a business that's working. But not just business working, life is working. I'm a farmer. Okay? I'm also a fitness wannabe. I'm a vegetarian, yoga. I'm a mampa's boy. I'm a dog lover. I'm a playful student. Favorite uncle sa London. And of course, because of this, I can work from everywhere. Okay? But above all, I also live anywhere I want. Most important part is as early as now, you need to have your digital competence. Kung sa amin, no, stenography, typewriting is important. Right now, hindi ka pwedeng hindi marunong magsulat. Yan po ito. Hindi ka marunong mag-shoot. Sulat niyo po. It's a necessity. What is it? Number 2, kung hindi ka marunong mag-edit, you're out of the game already. Kung hindi ka marunong magsulat, you're out of the game already. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-AI, you're out of the game already. These are necessity that you need to start embracing. You need to start learning. You need to be expert in this. Is it possible yung mga pangarap mo by 40 years old, makakuha mo by 30 years old? Is it possible yung mga pangarap mo, hindi mo nakuha ng 40, hindi nakuha ng 30, nakuha mo maybe in your 25. Maybe nakuha mo yun in your 20. Or maybe nakuha mo bukas. Possible or possible? Ask me how. Hindi ko alam.